Vitals are dropping, we have to move. Ready to lift, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, get her secured.
It's time to let him go. This is the kindest choice we can make now.
Code red, all available staff to surgery. Incoming trauma, clear the halls immediately.
In 1967, a failing heart was a death sentence, but one ambitious surgeon, Christiaan Barnard, was ready to play God. He would do the unthinkable, take the heart from one person and put it in another. But to get a healthy heart, you must take it from a body that is not yet fully dead. This is the horrifying true story of the world's first heart transplant, the story of a 25-year-old woman's tragic death.
Heart transplant miracle, read all about it.
Dr. Barnard plays God. Exclusive details.
Reports from Cape Town confirm.
A 53-year-old man's desperate gamble and the terrifying 5-hour experiment that created a medical miracle that lived for only 18 days